This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Cherokee oil light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within a 10-second window. After that, turn the ignition completely to the off position. This simple sequence should clear the oil change indicator for you. After performing the reset, turn your ignition back to the on position to confirm the oil change indicator light has turned off. If the light is still illuminated, don't worry. Some Jeep models might need a slightly different timing or a 4th pedal press. Simply repeat the process, ensuring you follow each step precisely. You'll get it. Resetting your oil light is more than just turning off an annoying indicator. It ensures your vehicle's maintenance system accurately tracks when your next service is due. This prevents false warnings and helps you stay on schedule with crucial oil changes. Regular maintenance, like timely oil changes, is vital for extending your engine's life and keeping your Jeep running smoothly for many years. If the oil light still won't reset, it's a good idea to consult your Jeep's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions. Sometimes, a persistent light can indicate a more significant issue that needs professional attention, so don't ignore it. Also, for those looking to improve their financial health, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.